you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be creating these fall looks for this month of October. So hopefully you guys are interested, and if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I highly recommend for you guys to subscribe and also turn notification bell so you guys don't miss none of my videos. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by applying some tape. So if you got some tape with you, go ahead and apply it on. So I'm going to be doing 2 or 3 different eyeshadow palettes. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Born to Run eyeshadow palette. And this is from the Urban Decay. So here's the shade that we're going to be using, which is this one right here. It's called Steel Shot. So that is going to be the transition at first. So here I have a blending brush. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by applying this. And I already went ahead and added some eyeshadow primer. Coco, no. If you hear that noise, that's my dog, my little puppy. So you hear trying to make some trouble. He's actually trying to chew on the cords, which I don't let him because that's not good. Don't. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe palette, and this is the Bling Boss eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna be using this color right here, which is called Mystic. So I'm gonna be using the Lucy 243 Precision Blending, which is this one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and start packing this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease off camera, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is called Ignite, and I'm gonna be using the 10F concealer by Farrah brush. We're now going to go ahead and get this Jet color, which is in a dark black charcoal. And we're just simply patting this into the outer V. So I'm going to be using the Master Precise ink pen, and this is in black. We're going to go ahead and do the wing. I'm going to go ahead and tap out some mascara and my lashes, and then we're almost through with this video. While my lashes dried up, I'm going to go ahead and use this Super Stay Full Coverage, and this is in number 220. So here I have the e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline concealer, and this is in number 115. So here I have a small blending sponge, and I'm going to go ahead and sponge these out. Sponge these out, what the heck. So with this small blending sponge, I'm just simply going to go ahead and blend my concealer. So I'm gonna go next with the translucent powder, and this is by Ciate London. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake this and set it for 5 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and remove it. Okay, so while we wait in the bake, I'm gonna be using the Beauty Crop Sardinia Sand Bronzer, which is this one right here. And here I have the angle brush, and this is by Beauty Essence. All right, guys, so now using the e.l.f. Total Face Brush, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the powder out of my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the bronzing brush, and this is by e.l.f. and I'm gonna be using the Madison Miller palette, and I'm gonna be grabbing this color right here so I can put it as a blush. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Revolution Sport Fix, which is this one right here, and this is the Makeup Revolution London. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply some highlight. Okay, so here I have a highlight fan. So I'm gonna be combining both of these shades. And to finalize these looks, I'm going to be using the Superstay Matte Ink. This is the shade Escape, it's 45. And this is a matte lipstick.